Dear students, welcome back to your educational channel Learn and Educate, where we were learning a few basics of the Companies Act 2013, under which now we will continue with Section 2, Clause 17, Chartered Accountant. Chartered Accountant means a Chartered Accountant as defined in Clause B of subsection 1 of Section 2 of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949. He is a person who holds a valid certificate of practice under subsection 1 of section 6 of the Chartered Accountants Act 1949. As per the provisions of the Companies Act 2013 and the various chapters of the Companies Act, previously we have studied books of accounts in section 2 clause 13, which includes all sums received and expended, all sales and purchase of goods or services, all assets and liabilities of the company, the items of cost which has been prescribed under section 148, that is the requirement of keeping books of accounts has been under section 128. The company must keep the books of accounts with respect to items which are specified in the subsection 2 clause 13 from item 1 to 4 of the Companies Act 2013. The books of accounts must show all the money received and expended. The books of account must be kept on accrual basis and according to double entry systems. And as per section 134, financial statements, boards reports, it includes auditors reports. And under section 134, it deals with the financial statements. The board's report shall be prepared based on the stand-alone financial statement of the company, which the auditor's report is to be attached to every financial statements. Thus, the report of the auditor is compulsory for a report of the board of directors containing the details of the matter specified. The board's report must annex with the duly signed. Every duly signed copy of the financial statements must be circulated, published with the notes on documents, the auditor's reports, and the board's report. As per section 137, copy of the financial statements to be filed with the registrar in the form number AOC4 with the registrar of the companies, which requires to be annexed the auditor's report. Under section 138 internal audit, a person who can be appointed as internal auditor. The audit committee of the company on the board, in consultation with the internal auditor, make rules for the scope, functioning, periodicity, methodology for conducting the internal audit. Who can be an internal auditor? A chartered accountant, a cost accountant, and other professionals as may be specified by the board to conduct the internal audit of the functions and activities of the company. Therefore, the company board shall be free to appoint any practicing CA or a practicing cost accountant or any other person deemed fit to be appointed for the purpose of internal audit. As per the audit and auditors under section 139 subsection 1, the company is required to appoint auditor. The company is required to form an audit committee under section 177, which shall perform the functions of considering the appointment of auditors, remuneration of the auditors. Company is required to issue the recommendations which may be laid down. Thus, appointment of an auditor is compulsory. Conditions for appointment is when an individual or a firm is eligible for appointment under this act or the Chartered Accountants Act 1949 and the rules and the regulation made thereunder. The proposed appointment of